Hello, I am Sajjad Sononik from hostthewebsite.com. Today I will show you how to move a WordPress website from one hosting to another using a WordPress plugin called All-in-One WP Migration plugin.
How to transfer WordPress hosting using all-in-one WP migration plugin. So how we do it? Firstly, what we need? We need the login access of your WordPress website, login access of your domain, login access of your new server cPanel access. So when you will have everything of these three, you are ready to go. Firstly, log into your WordPress dashboard. Now you need to install the all-in-one WP migration plugin. Go to plugins, add new, search for all-in-one WP migration plugin. All-in-one WP migration. Here is the plugin. After getting this plugin, please install and activate it. I already installed and activated. So now you need to go all-in-one WP migration plugin. The plugin have many premium feature. There is the one features called Dropbox extension, and which will allow you to back up your website to Dropbox or Drive. I bought the Dropbox extension earlier, so I will use the Dropbox extension to move this website. But if you don't have the premium feature, you need to use this option, file. You should click on this file option and it will create a backup of your whole website, and it will appear a button called download the backup. When the backup will appear, just you need to download it. I am using the Dropbox extension, so what I need to do, go to plugins, add new option, and install it. I already installed, so I click on Dropbox and it will generating the backup to my Dropbox. So the backup is completed. Now what we need to do, you need to go to your domain control panel and need to change your name server. I am checking the name server of my this hosting. This is ns7.hostthewebsite.com, ns8.hostthewebsite.com. To do this, please go to intodns.com. I will give the link into the description, and search for the domain name and click on report. It will show the report. So now this is on ns7 and ns8. I will change the server, and the server will be ns9 and ns10. So let's go to the control panel of the domain. The domain is bought from hostthewebsite. So I am going to log in the client area of hostthewebsite.com. I'm logging into domain control panel. So here I had the domain name, clicking on this domain name and editing this, and I am changing the name server of the domain name. It is ns7. I am giving it ns9 because the new server name server are ns9 and ns10. So I changed the name server, and here we go. The name server is changed already. So after changing the name server, it can take up to 24 hours to take effect. So we need to log into our new server cPanel and should install WordPress. So let's go our new server cPanel. I think your new host emailed you the login access of your new server cPanel. So I am logging into our new server. Here is our new server. I am logging into the cPanel. Actually, this is a hosting. The main domain is onic.work, but I will use the webbuildersbd.net as a add-on domain. I am adding the add-on domain, and I will adding it as an add-on domain. So that is mean that by using this cPanel, I can also host webbuildersbd.net, and the directory of the website, that means the directory of this domain will be this. So I am adding the add-on domain. So the add-on domain is now added. So now check that the name server is changed or not changed. So again, I am clicking on report. Yes, it's changed to NS9 to NS10. So now take a look of the previous website. Is still there, that means it's not taking effect. So what we can do to make the waiting time shorter, we can delete our browser cache, we can use different browser, or we can use a VPN. So using a VPN connection is the right choice, I think. I will use a VPN connection called hide.me. This hide.me VPN is free for 250 megabytes per month. So I am using this free option. So I am clicking the enable VPN option because it will reduce the downtime. I mean, after 4 or 5 hours, it will be accessible without VPN. But firstly, it need to use a VPN connection. So I enabled VPN. Now again reloading this website, and here is nothing. It's saying it is insecure connection because in the new server we didn't install the SSL. So I will install SSL certificate, and again I will try it. So here is the new directory. I mean, it is showing this folder in the new server. So now what we need to do, we need to install WordPress for this website using our new server cPanel. So after logging to cPanel, I will search for WordPress, or it will be at the end of the page. I'm clicking on WordPress and install a WordPress in webbuildersbd.net. Make sure to use it in this directory. It should be blank. Whatever used will be okay. Now install it. I'm using the same login because it will actually overwritten by our previous websites, so we don't need to worry for login access. So WordPress installed. Now check it. I'm reloading the website. Actually, this is happening for not installing SSL. So I think you don't. Here is the option. So now login, please. After login, to this website, you need to install the plugin again, all in one WP. Install it and activate it. I also need to install the Dropbox extension. So I'm installing the Dropbox extension. As you don't have a Dropbox extension, you don't need to install this plugin. What we need to do now, go to this all-in-one WP migration option, click on import and import from files, and choose the directory you saved the backup previously and click on the backup. So I don't use this option, I will use this Dropbox extension and link to my Dropbox. So after linking to Dropbox, what we need to do, click on Dropbox, and you should use this. I'm clicking on Dropbox and it will show the all of the backup. We need to click the backup we want to restore. After clicking this backup, here is the backup, and click and import. It will start to import all of the content of your previous website to the new website. I mean previous hostings file to new hosting file. So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. After these 2 minutes, what we need to do, I will show you. So we are ready to go. What we need to do, click on proceed. After clicking on proceed, it will preparing our database file for the new website. So now click on these settings, permalink settings, and you need to log in by using your previous username and password. Now click on post name and save changes, and here we go. It's the completely same website as the past one. So check here. I'm clicking the report again, and it is now in ns.com and ns10.hostthewebsite.com. So it is working perfectly. So this is the whole process. So I think it will help you to transfer your website from one hosting to another, but it will cause for frequent downtime. I mean it will down your website for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. If that is okay, then it is fine. If you want to transfer the website without having any downtime, so you need to follow my next video, because I will show something different in the next video. What I will show, how to transfer a WordPress website without having any downtime. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and stay with us.